Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to create hypnotic spiral effect in mobile phone, so let's start. To create this effect you will need a photo editing app. I will use Pixel Lab, but you can use any other app, and other thing is Hypnotic Spiral PNG file. I have provided the download links in the video description, please check there. To download the Pixel Lab app, go to Play Store. Open the app and type Pixel Lab in search box. Now click here to see the application. As you can see, I have already downloaded and installed this app, so I can open this app, but you will see download option here instead of open. When you have done downloading and installing procedure, just click on open button to open the application. Whenever you will open the Pixel Lab, you will see this layout by default. First delete the text box. To do this, first select the text box and click on delete button, and then click OK to confirm. Then click here and choose image size. For this example I will choose 1080 by 1080 pixels. Then click here and then import to open the image. Now crop the image. Use this handle and resize the image according to your choice. Then click here and lock the image. You can browse more settings here. This is a very useful application. You can design so many things in this app. You can also adjust the brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation according to your choice. Then again go to import section and import the Hypnotic Spiral PNG file. Now resize this spiral and try to place the center circle of this spiral at the middle of eyeball. You can also take help of this zoom tool. When you have done, just click on this floppy icon to save your image. Done. If you like this video, please press the like button, and subscribe my channel to watch more. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.